Great news for Facebook advertisers. Hi, my name is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. So a lot of people think that Facebook is dying, and that there's less and less people there, and other platforms are taking over like TikTok and Instagram and other platforms. But the truth is actually that the statistics show that Facebook is still growing and its user base is also still growing. It has so many users, but it's still growing. So if other advertisers think that Facebook is dying and they're going more towards using other platforms to run ads on, like TikTok and Instagram, like I said, that is great news for us who want to continue to use Facebook, because then we have less competition. And when we have less competition, then the ads will also become cheaper. And the thing is that the user base on Facebook is in average a little bit older, and people who are a little bit older, they in general also have more income to spend, more income that they want to spend or are able to spend. So if you are selling a product or service that it could be for a little bit older demographic, but not just older, really it's everybody, but the average user on Facebook is a little bit older than, for instance, on TikTok, and they have more income to spend. So Facebook ads is still a very, very great option for a lot of businesses. Of course, not for all. It depends a lot on your business. But for coaches and consultants, it's definitely a great platform for most coaches and consultants. So, so I really recommend that you are trying Facebook ads if you are a coach or consultant. And if you want help with it, then we actually specialize in Facebook ads for coaches and consultants. So if you want to learn more about it, you can book a call with me and we can have a talk about it. I actually have a offer right now where you only pay when you get a paying client. So we're not going to have this offer for much longer. So if you want to learn more about it, then book a call with me. There's a link in the description. Also give me a like if you like this video, and comment below if you have any questions. Subscribe for more. Share it with anybody who could find it useful. Also down in the description we have some free downloads. There's a free Facebook ad template. If you want to run your own Facebook ads as coach or consultant, then you can follow that. And we have a free ebook, Mastering Social Media Marketing Strategies for Coaches and Consultants. That's more about organic marketing, so go ahead and download that. And also join our free Facebook group where you can get more tips from me and other advertisers, other marketers, so go ahead and join that. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.